Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TechFox. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube account or YouTube channel in your phone. This is pretty cool and pretty simple. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the YouTube app on your phone. So here I'm going to open the YouTube app. And now you have to log in with your Google email address. So if you haven't already logged in with your Google Mail, please consider to log in with that email. So here you can see that I already have logged in my Google account. So I'm seeing an interface like this. So normally you have to click on this U button. And now you will see an option here, create a channel. Click on this create a channel button. And now you will see some new options here. You can give it a name. Click on this pencil icon to give it a name. For example, I'm giving it a name Mr. TechFox Demo. And then click on this save button. So our channel name is Mr. TechFox Demo. Now handle option. You can choose a handle for your channel. So click on this pencil icon and I'm giving the handle Mr. TechFox 24 and click on this save button. On the other hand, if you want to set a logo for your YouTube channel, click on this photo icon and from here choose a photo. Click on this gallery. I'm choosing this photo and clicking on this set as profile picture. That means we are setting the profile picture as this photo. Now finally click on this create channel button. And that's it. We have successfully created our new channel. Now click on this U button and this is our channel. So that's all about today's video, how you can create a new channel on your phone. So here you can see that the profile picture isn't still visible, but you have to wait a few minutes to show it perfectly. So normally if we refresh the page, if we click on this pencil icon, you can see that our profile picture has been sent, channel logo has been set. So you can add description and customize according to your needs. On the other hand, if you want to set a channel art, click on this camera icon and from here you can choose it also. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.